Hello children, how are you? This will be your science class. Unit 3 topic is air. First we are going to see the properties of air. That is, what is air? Air is a natural resources. It's a nature's gift for us. காற்று இல்லாமல் we cannot live. It is present. நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் air. You cannot see that it doesn't have any shape and color. But it has weight. Remember, it has weight. We cannot see, but it can be felt. Air can flow everywhere. Children காத்தடிக்குது. These are the examples. Okay. Again, I'll repeat, children. It's a natural resource. அதை நீங்கள் வந்து பார்க்க முடியாது. It doesn't have any shape கிடையாது. And it doesn't have any color. But it has weight. It occupies space. அது இடத்த ஆக்குபை பண்ணும். ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து ஒரு பவுல் இருக்குது. அந்த பவுலை நீங்கள் எம்டியாக டேபிள் மேலே வைக்கிறீங்கன்னா அந்த எம்டி ஸ்பேஸை ஆக்குபை பண்ணுறது தான் ஏர். ஸோ எதை ஆக்குபை பண்ணுது? அந்த கப்பை. ஓகே, தட் மீன்ஸ் த பவுல். Okay, now we can pass on to air occupies space. That எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறது? There is an experiment you can try in your home. Material required: a tumbler, a bowl and a water, as I told you. Place a tumbler on the surface of water kept in a bowl. Place a tumbler on the surface of water kept in a bowl. Push the tumbler straight into the water. நல்லா டைட்டாக வச்சு புஷ் பண்ணுங்க. Now tilt it slightly, லைட்டாக tilt பண்ணணும். Tiltனா சாய்க்கணும். And push it into the water. What you can see, yes, you can observe that small air bubbles comes out. This is because of air. That space has been occupied by air. So when you give the pressure, it releases the air. This is the best example that air occupies space. You can try in your home. It's a simple experiment. See, look at this picture. Air, tumbler, water ball in this direction. Okay. Look at the picture. In this way, you have to do tilt it little bit. You can see the air bubbles and small air bubbles coming out of it. Hot air raises up. Hot air raises up. Tie a balloon to a mouth of a bottle as shown in the picture. And in the next slide, I'll share the picture. Let the mouth of the bottle be narrow. Keep the bottle in a vessel containing hot water. Observe it for some time. The balloon expands. Why? Due to the heat of water. So, look at the picture. This is a bottle. You should tie the mouth of the balloon and the bottle together. It's a hot water. When the hot water, that means the air comes out, it automatically fills the balloon. Okay. Air has weight. Air has weight. காத்துக்கு weight இருக்குன்றதை நம்ம எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போகிறோம்? Yes, procedure. Take two balloons, the same. Two balloons. Fill air in one balloon and keep the other balloon as it is. Make a measuring tool. As you see in the picture, you can tie both the balloons. One is with air, filled with air. One is empty. Now, what happened? Which side bends or which side? What happened? Just observe. Yes, when you do this experiment, you can see the balloon which has air comes down. That is because air has weight. This experiment proves clearly. Air moves and pushes things. Air moves and pushes things. Light an incense stick in the corner of the classroom and observe the smoke of the incense stick moves everywhere. The air pushes the smoke. That stick is nothing but udabatti. You can light an udabatti and you can observe what is happening. The aroma, the smell, the fragrance spreads all over the room. See the clouds in the sky that moves everywhere. Cloud moves because of the movement of air. Electricity is generated from wind with the help of windmill. This windmill you can see in the interior, that is the village side and all, while you would have traveled and the time you would have seen. Air is required for burning. This is a very good example. You can do this, children. Light a candle and place it on a table. Now cover the light candle with the glass jar. Observe what happens. Yes, the light puts off. That means it's light மெழுகுவத்தி ஏற்றிட்டு ஒரு டம்ளர், it should be a கண்ணாடி tumbler, that means glass tumbler, so that you can see. Close பண்ணிடுங்க. Within a minute the light goes off because it needs air to blow. Okay. Air pressure. Air exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure. When you drink fresh juice, you suck it through a straw. We do this with the help of air. How does the straw works? Fix a few drops of ink in half a glass of water. Place a transparent straw inside the glass containing colored water. Then place your finger on the top of the straw and pull the straw out of the liquid. What happened? Yes. Then remove your finger from the straw. What happens while your finger covers top of the straw? The liquid remains in the straw. When you remove the finger, the water flows out. When you keep the finger, the water remains inside the straw. This is a very good example. It's like அது ஒன்றுமே இல்லை சில்ட்ரன். ஒரு டம்ளரில் தண்ணி எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே, இன்சர்ட் ஸ்ட்ராவை உள்ளே போடுங்க. அண்ட் தென் யூ ஷுட் சக், ஸ்ட்ராவை சக் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் தென் இமீடியட்லி க்ளோஸ் த ஃபிங்கர் அண்ட் ரிமூவ் த ஸ்ட்ரா அண்ட் சி வாட் தண்ணி வந்து அந்த ஸ்ட்ராக்குள்ளே இருக்கும். இஃப் யூ ரிமூவ் த ஃபிங்கர், மேலே ஹோல்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்கள அந்த ஃபிங்கரை நீங்கள் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா வாட்டர் லீக்ஸ் அவுட், தண்ணி வெளியில் வந்துடும். So again you just drop the straw into the water, again suck it, again immediately lock it with your thumb finger. So again you can see. So this proves that air exerts pressure. What are the things we saw in today's class? Yes, first we saw the properties of air. Next we saw air occupies space with that experiment tumbler and then bowl experiment, tilt பண்ணனும் சொன்னாலே அந்த experiment. Okay, next என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Yes, hot air raises up, அந்த experiment bottle and then balloon ஓட mouth tie பண்ணிடுவோம், அந்த experiment we saw. And then next we saw air has weight. ஒரு பலூனில் யூ ஷுட் ப்ளோ த ஏர் அண்ட் தென் டைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு எது வெயிட் அதிகன்றதை செக் பண்ணுறது, அந்த ஒரு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பார்த்தோம். அண்ட் தென் ஏர் இஸ் ரிக்வயர்ட் ஃபார் பர்னிங், நெருப்பு எரிஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கிறதுக்கு காற்று தேவைன்ற எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் ஆல்சோ வி சா. ஃபைனலி லாஸ்ட்டாக என்ன பார்த்தோம்? ஏர் எக்ஸர்ட்ஸ் ப்ரெஷர், தட் ஆல்சோ வி சா வித் த straw and tumbler experiment. So I just want you at least to do any one experiment, take a video and send it in the group. You can choose any one experiment, ஏதாவது ஒரு experiment பண்ணி நீங்கள் காமிக்கலாம். Tell your name. If you are well versed in English, you can say in that, or else you can do in Tamil also, no problem. I just want you to understand the concept of air and the experiments what we have saw today. So at least try to do one experiment and share with me in the group on Tuesday. The second part of the video I'll post in the next class. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.